This is my top secret packing hack and how it came to be. You don't need to spend lots of money on fancy packing cubes. All you need is a 3M lint roller, which will set you back less than $5. Back in 2007, I was taking my first European Kentucky tour in October. It was going to be cold. My daily uniform would be a tank top, long sleeves, and a short sleeve tee with a fleece wrap and a jacket on top. Most of the base layers were dark colors: black, navy, brown. I had the bright idea to bring along a lint roller, but it seemed even better if I could just bring what I needed. So I rolled up each tank top and wrapped a lint sheet around it. These were teeny tiny rolls. Then I wrapped the long sleeves, then the short sleeves. I knew I would have a roommate. I thought about trying to unwrap all these rolls in dim lighting, so I came up with a labeling system and marked the sheets. I could look at my shorthand and know the color, and if it was sleeveless, short, or long, even in bad lighting. To this day, I continue to roll my clothes in lint roller sheets. When you are rummaging through, picking out what you want, everything stays neatly rolled. The sheets have just enough tack to last for the duration of a trip.